shocking performance in your paper, there has to be continuous practice. So it is important that we wake up now. We have the whole of June and we have the whole of July, almost the whole of July. So I would suggest that we wake up now and then we assume that we have not done anything, and then we start preparing again, we start writing tests again. I get some indications that by second week of June or by third week of June, students can come to Bhabha Towers and work in Bhabha Towers may begin by the second or third week of June. But till, I mean, this is not sure, there is no surety here, there is no guarantee here, nothing. But till then, I think we have to depend on online, and we have to believe and behave as if online is going to be the way, because it's going to be second week of June or whether it is going to be second week of July. So we don't know that, right? So what I am trying to say is, if we are serious about NEET 2020, which I think all of you are, I think we have to get our acts together right now, and we have to assume we have done nothing, and we have to start preparing. Okay, so I want to hear from you all. What do you think that could be done? I can give you my suggestions. I had a small meeting with our teachers in the morning today. And though I was thinking that we should do chapter wise, we should start chapter wise, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, but the teacher said no, we should do full tests and we should discuss those papers. So that is when I think it will come out where the students are lacking as far as theory is concerned. So what I am proposing is starting June 1st, we take our first test on June 1st. And on June 2nd, we do a discussion of the paper. A 1.5 hour discussion on the paper. And then we will identify chapters which we will discuss at certain other times. Then again on June 3rd, we write a test again. Then on June 4th, again we do a discussion. Okay, the discussion is a 1.5 hour discussion per subject, which means that it is a 4.5 hour discussion total, wherein we try to work out each and every question and come up with the proper answers for it. Maybe, you know, the bio part may take a little more time. I'm not sure about it. But anyway, my suggestion is that we do something of this kind. I spoke to the teachers. The teachers said they're willing to work with you, provided you guys also agree to this plan and then take up this plan in a wholehearted manner. If you feel that no, we would like to do, but again, you see, there has to be consensus. If 5 of you say that we will start with 12th portions, another 10 of you say that we will start with 11th portions, and another 15 of you say that no, we will start with these full tests, then nothing can happen. Okay, then nothing can happen. We know what is our time frame. Our time frame is June. You have June 1st week, you have June 2nd week, you have June 3rd week, you have June 4th week, then you have July 1st week, you have July 2nd week, and you have July 3rd week. Okay, so this is the time that we have right now. So we have 7 weeks. This is a lot of time for us. Okay, so given that you guys are already doing work, so this is enough time for our acts, and it is enough time for us to make sure that we are able to put our best foot forward. But if during this meeting right now, if we can come up with a consensus and say that no, we will start with 11th portions, or we'll start with 12th portions, or we will start with full syllabus tests, it will be great. Okay, now if some of y'all can put some Chidambaram, is it a good idea to let them speak? Is it possible for them to raise their hands or something and then speak?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so those of you who would want to speak something, can you please raise your hands? Those of you who think you have some ideas, you have some opinions, can you please raise your hands?
Or they can come to chat also. student has messaged to it is better to write chapter-wise tests, sir.
Okay, okay. So yeah, so there are some. Okay, good. Then others, can you all put some ideas forward? Can you unmute the teachers?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, dear students, please feel free. Let's take this act together. Let's see how we can help each other, and let's try to make it. We'll take it up as a challenge, and let's see how we can make it. Let's aim for a 470 or a 670 or a 680. Let's aim for a state rank 1. Let's aim for a state rank 1 and let's work. All that I want is you tell me how I feel that we can help you. I feel that some of your scores have come down purely because of lack of practice. So we can get things together and then we can make sure that there is practice. We can clear your doubts. We can teach you, reteach you if you want. We can meet in small groups also sometime. A lot of things can happen. But if you guys can share some of your ideas, then it will be great. Yes, Kavita ma'am, you want to share something?
Sir, for students, let them tell their ideas, sir. Based on that, we'll give suggestions, right? So,
okay, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, Chidambaram, anybody saying anything?
That's what we are doing. We need to have
Chidambaram?
Yes,
Sir.
Yes, sir. I am online. I am able to hear you.
Okay.
We are coming to chat session and telling that we can have
chapter wise or full length?
Anything like that. But everyday test is only mentioned with
Okay, can you unmute Charu Balash? She's trying to raise her hand.
While full tests are going on side by side, we can have the revision of most important chapters, discussion of previous year questions.
Okay.
And Arvind just is trying to tell that we can have chapter wise test.
Okay. Okay. Kavita ma'am, you have anything to share?
Yes, sir. Students, please, actually, we have organized this meeting only to get ideas from you. So if you give your suggestions, it will be easy for us to take forward this one. So as Murli sir said, like we have only 7 more weeks, right? The 7 more weeks should be like we should work hard more effectively. And it can be done only based on your suggestions. Please feel free to give your suggestions. So if you are not able to like talk, you can give in chat.
Sir, may I speak, sir? I'm
Yeah,
Harita.
please. Yeah.
Yes, actually, students, as far as the full test or part test plan or the chapter-wise test plan is concerned with, it all depends on how you people are going to work out. So if we plan for a full test and if you people are not going to do it, there is of no use in it. So please put up these suggestions. So even if you wanted to have 3 days of discussion or alternate full test and chapter-wise test or part test, whatever it is, possible only if you put on what is needed. So try to come out with your own ideas and try to discuss your problems, like why it's in particular subject your mark is getting reduced, either in physics, chemistry, or biology. Now all faculties are there. Only if you discuss, we'll come to know where the problem is and we can rectify it for the forthcoming days.
Is saying to model these tests.
Yeah.
one is saying to have a full model meeting.
Chidambaram, not clear. You can unmute other people and then speak. I'll take care of it. Yeah. So, okay. So, Kavita ma'am. Hello.
Wait, sir. I'll unmute her.
No need. No. Let all of them listen. So, NK sir, what I think is a good idea probably is that we do a 2-week. Okay. So let me put my ideas here. See, what I am thinking is this, that let us spend these 2 or 3 days. I'm written something here. So we will spend some 3 days in discussing the past 3 years question papers. Okay, already I'm sure you guys might have seen those question papers. So we will just discuss the papers. There will be a separate discussion for physics, separate discussion for chemistry, separate discussion for biology. Suppose we start from, let's say, 27th. So 27th we will do a discussion. Then again, maybe 29th we will do a discussion, and 30th or 31st, I don't know whether the 30 days or 31 days in this month, on 31st we will do a discussion. Then what we will do is we will plan to write 2 full tests every week. Okay, we will plan to write 2 full tests every week with 2 full tests every week, and simultaneously we will focus on, let's say, the 11th standard syllabus. 11th standard syllabus for first 2 weeks of June, which means that apart from these full tests, the other days you will tell, we will put some part tests on those chapters of 11th syllabus, and whatever doubts you have, we will clear. Say for example, the first week we will focus on first volume, second week we will focus on second volume. So daily evening we may organize 1 hour, 2 hour, depending on okay, there cannot be any uncertainty, but daily evening we will organize 2 hours test. I mean, not 2 hours test, 2 hour class specifically with respect to physics and chemistry. As far as bio classes are concerned, you guys tell now, or you send one SMS saying that we want to discuss these following chapters 1, 4 and so on. And then we will try to find a time when we can discuss those chapters. So for the first 2 weeks, we discuss only 11th portion. The next 2 weeks we discuss with the 12th portion. So again, 1 week first volume, another week second volume. So by the end of June, we would have covered the whole of 11th and 12th syllabus. And what would have happened during the month of June? One, you would have written some 6 to 8 full syllabus tests. Okay. Now, once you have written these 6 to 8 full syllabus tests, because it is going to be online, we can analyze which chapters you are making maximum mistakes. Which chapters you are making maximum mistakes. Okay, then we will try to organize classes for those chapters where you have maximum mistakes. Then what else would have happened is you would have systematically read the first book, second book of 11th, first book, second book of 10th. You would have read these two. You would have taken some chapter wise tests depending on those chapters. I mean, I won't say those chapters where you are weak. I think you should take it on every chapter. You get a high score, no problem. But you take a chapter wise test so that you are exposing yourself to questions. Then the whole of July month, that is the first week, second week, and the third week, sincerely, we write a test every day and then we do a discussion of that test every day. I mean, not the same day, the next day we do a discussion. So that in the month of July, you would have written around 10 tests you would have written. Then the last 4 days before the exam, you analyze these papers, you analyze the previous year's papers, and then you go for your exam. This is what I think may work out. Now, Chidambaram, if you can give the floor to NK sir, Harita ma'am, and ask what is their opinion about it. What do they think? Then we'll talk to the students again.
NK sir, you are on.
Yes. Good evening, sir. Good evening,
Good evening,
students.
Sir.
So whatever Murali sir told, I am coinciding with that one. That is the nice plan as far as NEET exam is concerned, and even that is one of the best things that you people can do in this lockdown situation. So as sir planned that we will go for some full syllabus tests and part tests at the same time, your first volume, second volume of 11th class, then first volume, second volume of 12th class. In that way, if we proceed step by step, then I think it will work out, and I think it will lead to score good marks at your NEET level. That's what I want to tell, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, sure. Harita ma'am, we will make a timetable and we will give it to them, ma'am. So that way, I think we'll work out if we follow it up with them.
Sir, okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you. Sir, actually, the plan is completely, it's right. And actually, what I feel is the students have to like cooperate. Like before also we made a plan, they didn't attend the Zoom classes. So many students take tests, but they are not attending the classes. So we have to make sure that the student attends the discussion also. So students, as far as this meeting is important for making you understand the importance of discussing the paper. Just writing test will not improve your score. You need to know where you make mistakes and which chapter you make mistakes. For that, you definitely need the guidance from the teachers. So please do attend the discussion that is going to happen. That's it, sir. And the plan seems to be right, sir, from my side.
Okay. Okay. So, yeah.
Can you ask Kavita ma'am as well, sir?
Ma'am, yes. What is her opinion? CDR is also there.
Kavita ma'am, you are online now.
Yeah, sir. Sir, plan is okay, sir. It is okay, right? Students for bio, as sir told, you have to tell me from which chapters you need revision again. So some students are asking me revision from Animal Kingdom chapter. Like I'm getting some frequent questions from particular concepts or the particular chapters. So let me know. You can text to my WhatsApp number. So you just find out. You just revise. You go through your whole syllabus, 11th and 12th portion. And June month, you use it only for doubt clarification, because after July, as I told, you are going to write only full test. So when you're going to July month, you should be thorough with all concepts. You should not have any chapters left over or concepts like you didn't study or you didn't understand. Still you are having doubts like that. So please use this June classes, attend the classes. It is like we are organizing everything for you. Again, the classes like before also we had some Zoom classes and many students seem to be like you didn't attend. Very few students attended those classes. So please use this June classes for doubt clarification, and whatever things need to be retaught, like everything will be done in the month of June. And one more thing, Harita ma'am told like not only writing tests, you have to attend the discussion classes. That is very important, because like when you are going to pick related on like when you are having related answers and all, like the correct answer should be chosen based on some concepts or logics that you will get to know only if you attend the discussion classes. So make sure you are attending the discussion classes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so at the cost of sounding little autocratic, I'm just going to summarize what is happening. Okay, Chidambaram, can you just unmute other people? Yeah.
Thank you, sir. I would like to read out Hari Krishna sir's feedback. My suggestion is based on many students' requirement, we can conduct 4 part tests for 11th, 2 and 12th, 2 according to NCERT 4 books. Afterwards, to off portion test, 11th to off test. I think I can unmute.
No, I'm not able to hear.
Yeah. I mean,
You mute everyone and then speak. Yeah.
Hari Krishna sir, you are online now.
No, Chidambaram, you please speak. You tell what he has said. You said.
No, this
please,
wording are not clear, sir. That is it.
Okay. You please mute the others. Let only Hari Krishna be on.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
Sir, good evening to all of you. Hello.
Yes.
Sir, good evening to all of you.
Yes, sir. Please carry on.
Sir, actually, many students they are asking doubts during this time also. Personally, they are sending messages to me, and I am talking to them, sir. Based on the requirement, actually, what they are thinking is, according to NCERT book volume, each volume, if they are writing the test, in which part actually they are weak, easily they can identify, sir. Regarding physics concern, volume 1, 11th volume 1, 11th volume 2, then afterwards 12th volume 1, 12th volume 2. So like this volume wise, if they are writing a test, easily they will identify which part they are weak. Then afterwards, 11th on full portion test, 12th on full portion test. Then finally on full portion if they are writing means students are thinking that easily they can identify where they are weak actually, sir. Hello.
Okay. I got it. Okay. Chidambaram, can you please mute people then?
Yeah, sure, sir.
Yeah. Okay. I got your idea, sir. Okay. So,
yes, sir,
so this is what is my suggestion. Yeah. So this is what is my suggestion. 1, 3 days, we do last 3 years papers. Last 3 years papers. We will do discussion. No tests for this. We will just do a discussion. So with this, I hope all of us will get into the mood of studying, and we'll realize that the NEET exam is a damn easy exam and we want to rock it, and we want to get a 700 in the exam. So this is the aim. The aim of these 3 discussions is to tell ourselves what is the exact difficulty level of NEET, so that we know what is it that we are aiming for. Then what we do is, over the next 1 week, like Hari Krishna was suggesting, we do 4 tests. We do 4 tests, full syllabus test. Test 1, 11th first book. Test 2, 11th second book. Then again, test 3, 12th first book. Test 4, 12th second book. Okay. Then we will analyze. We will analyze and then find out where the difficulty is. Where the difficulty is. Okay. Then not only are these tests, there is this. All these tests are going to be supplemented by a discussion. Then a request to all of you is that please attend these discussions. Please attend this. Don't think whether it is a waste of your time or not. Attend it to at least to motivate us. Okay, so I'm assuring you, for each one of you, there will be something that you will take away from those tests, which will be good for you. Okay, so there's a test, there's a discussion, there is a test, there's a discussion, there is a test, there's a discussion. So we do this for 8 days. So 8 days. So 8 days means it will become 10 days because there will be some holidays in between. Then we analyze where the difficulty is. Based on this, we will chalk out a revision plan. Okay, chalk out a revision plan. This revision plan will be outside of the test that you write. Okay, so by the time you finish this, I think it will come easily to 10th or the 12th of June. Okay, so after that, what we do is we will write 2 full tests every week. 2 full tests every week. And we continue with, we have identified difficulties that you all are having. And also we are seeing that performance in the subsequent tests. We will take up those chapters and we will discuss those chapters. We will make a schedule every week and then we'll discuss those chapters. And we continue with this test such that by the end of June, we finish all our discussions, all our chapter-wise discussions. And you finish with all those small tests, everything is over. Then we go to the month of July. Then in July, like we said, we will do alternate day test. And we will do alternate day discussion. Okay, I think we will do alternate day tests and then we will do alternate day discussion. I think it will be beneficial, and maybe in another 15 days after we finish our first cycle, the first cycle maybe will be this, finishing this and then analyzing where we have difficulty. Maybe we can have one more common meeting for all this so that we can talk about the difficulties that we are facing and then draw a plan, subsequent plan. Then again after 15 days we can have another discussion and then see how we are going. Now, if you feel you guys are students, you don't have to attend, but you please giving feedback to the teachers so that we will have a meeting and then based on your feedback, we will come up with a proper plan. Okay.
Okay, sir. One student
Yes.
is asking, there be a gap between the 4 tests? The 4 tests that we are proposing.
No gap.
No gap.
No gap. Maybe once in 3 days.
Saying that
maybe once in 3 days we can.
Between those tests, how can we read without gaps? What do you say?
No, but you are reading right now, no?
Okay.
We are not going to. We are just assuming that we are starting preparation, but I'm sure you guys are reading at home. If you are not, then you guys should start attending classes from tomorrow itself. Okay, so what I have the calendar. So with your permission, I will try to make the calendar right away. So Monday, 1st June, we have 11th, book 1. Okay, then you want gap, right? So, so then again Tuesday, 2nd June, we have discussion. Then we leave 3rd June, 4th June. Then Thursday, 4th June, we have 11th, book 2. Okay, so gap has come now so that you can sit down and you can read. Then Friday, discussion. Friday is 5th June. Yeah, 5th. Then 6th, 7th holiday, 8th June. Then Monday,
One small query.
8th June. Yeah.
This discussion, can it be in Learnity so that they can watch it when they have time? instead of having in Zoom the discussion?
No, the idea is that they have to get serious with the books. The problem is when you give them videos, no, they are not able to watch it. I mean, they're not, see, motivation is also required. So when I have a Zoom class, there is some kind of a force.
Okay.
Okay, I have to go to the class. Okay, so that is the whole thing. So they are all bright kids, but just that, you know, we are a little off track now. Anyway, Tuesday, 9th June is a discussion. Then Friday, no, second book is very small. There is nothing in the second book. Thursday is 11th of June. We have 12th, book 2. Okay, now given that you all have already done your preparation, I think this should be a cakewalk. Yeah, what do you all think? Can you give some some turn to our teachers to speak if they have anything to, any student has commented anything, Chidambaram?
No, sir. 1 second. This is only physics or chemistry?
This is, we are talking of all 3 subjects.
Okay. If teachers
Bio
have
alone, if book 1, book 2 is,
sorry, sir.
in bio, if book 1, book 2, ma'am will tell what is it.
If teachers have anything to say, they can raise up their hands so that I can unmute. And students, you can come to chat and say any feedback.
Students can also raise their hands, no problem.
Okay. Kavita ma'am, I have unmuted you.
Yes. Students, regarding bio, like you don't worry, like I will divide the portions. So 11 portions I'll divide into 2. Maybe like first 3 units for the first one, and plant physiology, human physiology for 11th balance, the second book 2. Similarly, 12th syllabus, I will categorize the topics based on the difficulty level. So that I will plan and then I'll let you know the schedule. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Do it now itself, ma'am. Like you said, you know, book 2 is
yes.
book 2 is plant and
sir,
human
you can.
physiology.
Yes, I shall tell you, sir. You just write it parallelly, so that students will note that. So 11th book 1 for bio
This
is first.
No, ma'am.
Yes,
what
sir.
you are saying is book 2 is plant and human physiology. The rest
Yes.
of it is book 1.
Yeah, book 1. Yes, for 12th syllabus also, sir. You just note down like first 2 units for first book.
Unit 1 and 2.
Unit 1 and
for
2.
first book.
Yeah. Remaining 3 units in book 2.
Yeah.
Yes.
Unit 3, 4 and
4
5.
and 5. Yes.
Yeah. For book 2. So I think, yeah, it's
That's
all
it.
done. Over.
Student is asking, we need offline papers also so that we can prepare later, but I don't think it is feasible. Is it feasible, sir?
Yeah, offline papers are not feasible. I mean, it is feasible if the government allows you to come. It is feasible. I have offline papers. I spent so much money and then got offline papers free. But then I'm not allowed to give it. That's the whole thing. Offline papers, I think from July, I mean, hopefully from June 2nd week, but definitely from July, we will have offline papers. It won't be online papers. So that's why let us plan till 11th of June, because till here, I'm sure it will be online. After the 11th of June, maybe we can meet in smaller batches, depending on what the government says. We can meet in smaller batches and we can do it offline. If the government says from June 1st itself you can do, then June 1st itself we will have offline paper. I don't want to have online paper, because I'm sure if I can meet you all, I can motivate all of you to try to get a 700. My target this year, nobody has ever done it from Trichy. I'm confident some of you can do it. We want to get 700. State rank 1. All India rank 1 means great.
Charubala, can I unmute you? She's having any doubts, I guess.
Yeah, so let her speak.
Charubala, you can speak now.
Sir, three
Yeah.
books to test. How it is possible, sir? Sir,
Hey, you're not starting. Are you starting your preparation now?
no, we have to revise now, sir.
Then see, you will never get time. No, I'm sure that the past 1 month you've been reading. No.
Yes, but it's not possible, I think.
Why government said May 3rd should be the exam. I'm only saying June 3rd. I'm not even saying May 3rd.
Okay, we'll try, sir.
Yeah, please try. Don't worry. That will give us some direction on preparation. Otherwise, what will happen is, this is exactly what is the situation with all of us. All of us are thinking that we have too much of time. So you take the test. You don't worry. This test is only for us to get some guidance. Suppose at the end of it, genetics you got 0, so the teacher knows we need to work genetics. Mechanics you got 0, so the teacher knows, okay, we'll work with mechanics. So don't think that this is a test to check whether you will get into medicine or not. This is just a test for us to get some direction, so that from 12th of June to the 30th of June, we know what we have to read. Okay,
Yeah.
so it is just for us to get some direction. Yeah? So please don't think that it's a real NEET exam.
Okay, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah,
Charubala,
yeah.
I just want to give you one suggestion. See, you, even though like if we are giving enough time for you, you cannot sit and read all the chapters in all the 3 books and prepare for the exam, right? So already what you have done, revision, you just make sure like only before the exam date, like for you are going to write 1st June exam means the previous day you have to sit and read or you have to solve questions. You cannot sit and read all the 3 books and all the complete chapters and appear for the exam. It is not possible anyways. So whatever so far you have done, you just come with some concepts what you are not thorough. That's it. You don't worry. A certain like it is just going to be a direction for us for which chapters you are not fully thorough, so that we can go through that. That's it. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah.
Any more queries, students? You can come to the box and tell, or you can raise your hand. Can you send those questions in the PDF also, sir? And also the solution in the PDF form.
Yeah, that can be done. That can be done.
In Learnity, we can do it, sir.
Yeah, Learnity we can do it. If they want a PDF, it's easy, no problem.
Okay. Harika ma'am, I'll unmute you now. Yes, ma'am.
Sir, actually, whatever the students say, like what Charubala told, many students might have this. See, the plan starts only from June. So we have another 10 days for June to start. So less than 10 days, I guess. I do not, today the date is 25. So we have another 5 to 6 days also. So you can sit and prepare for those tests now. Even if you have not started before, you can sit and prepare. At least you can prepare for the first set of tests, first 2 set of tests at least. So you'll know how the idea is, and try to attend the test with some open mind. Do not have the lag that you might know this chapter or you have not revised. So for the whole 1 year and repeaters batch for more than a year, you have studied the syllabus. Definitely you'll have something in your mind. So when you start solving the questions, you'll automatically will get the confidence. So one important thing needed at this time is you should have enough confidence that you can attend the test. So if there is no confidence, it's very difficult for us. Even if they give you 3 months of time, this won't work out. So try to boost up your confidence, sit and work out. Okay. So please attend. The main idea of making the students attend discussion is, so many students say that most of their time they seem to be wasted because from morning also you study, in the evening time also you study, but in the midday, I don't think many people are doing work sincerely. So this discussion will make you work. So only for that purpose, the discussion is happening. So try to attend the discussion and attend the paper with the confidence. Either you revise it or you not revise it, attend the paper with the confidence and analyze the paper properly after each test. That is very important. Self-analysis is important. And then work out individually. Staffs are here for you to help. Yes, sir. That's all I had to say.
Sure. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, thank you.
Students, anything?
So friends, don't worry, you start working, then we will see whatever problems you face, we will see, and we will see how we can help you out.
Okay, sir. There are no more queries now. I think we can end up this session.
Okay, so I'll summarize the full thing. So this month, before the end of June, we will have 3 days. On those 3 days, we will be discussing last 3 years question papers. The idea of this discussion is to bring us back to the learning mode, wherein we understand what is it that is expected from us. This also will clarify what is the boundary of the NEET exam, what is the boundary of the questions that come in the NEET exam. We will get to see how many questions are there in NCERT, how many questions are not there in NCERT, all those things we will come to know. So that is the reason for the discussion of these 3 days of question papers. After these 3 days of question papers, which we will finish before the 1st of June, we start with our plan. So 1st of June, the plan starts. 1st of June, we write a test on 11th book 1. 2nd of June, we do a discussion. There will be a 1.5 hour discussion on each topic, wherein we will try to work out all the questions. A humble request to all students is please attend these sessions more to motivate us. So if you are motivating us, we will work with little bit more zeal. Okay. Then all these tests that we are taking from 1st of June till the 11th of June, the idea is to identify, first make you go through all the chapters and also identify those chapters where you all are weak. Then starting from June 12th onwards, we will start discussing those chapters, and then we'll start giving you part tests on some of those chapters. So on June 12th, we will make another plan based on our performance in this plan. Then we will earmark full tests, and then we will earmark part tests. We will make sure that we discuss each of those part tests, so that till the end of June, there is at least every alternate day you sit down and you listen, you talk to us, or you listen to us. Then if the government allows these things to be offline, we immediately close the online stuff and go to online. If the government says from 1st of June, we do it from 1st of June. If the government says 10th of June, we do it from the 10th of June. Whichever date the government says, the very next day we come back to offline classes and then meet in the class. Absolutely no issues with that. Then after that, needless to say, all the tests will also be offline, so that you get the real feel of the test, the shading on the OMR sheet, and so on. So let's work with this plan till the 11th of June. After the 11th of June, we will assess the situation again and then work out. Okay. Now, I will definitely, your discussion will not be tomorrow for the first paper. Mostly it will be on Wednesday, but I will chalk out a plan and then I will get back to you within a day's time. So tomorrow you should be able to get link for your classes where we are going to do these discussions. Okay. So that's all that I have. Thank you, all of you. Thank you, teachers, for having come here.